Welcome back, guys. I'm Everett with BDS Suspension. We're here with our Project Ranger X. We're going to introduce you to Jordan here. He's going to be working closely with our engineers as we get this ready for SEMA. And take it away, buddy.
Hey guys, as Everett said, I'm Jordan. I'm pretty excited to let you guys know about Project Ranger X, and I'll be telling you everything that the engineers are going to be doing and what we're going to be doing to get this thing ready for SEMA. Hey guys, as you know, this is a 2019 Ford Ranger. Now we haven't had much seat time with it, but with the 2.3 liter EcoBoost and the 10-speed automatic transmission, we really think this is going to be a big competitor with the Toyota Tacoma and the Chevy Colorado. We really like the style of this truck inside and out. That may be good enough for the average buyer, but we're going to step it up a notch. We only have a short time frame on to get it ready for SEMA, but we're going to do everything we can to get it ready for the Ford booth and make sure this is one badass truck. Last year, if you watch our build-up of SD126, our bright orange Raptor Super Duty, we took a standard cab Ford Super Duty and chopped the frame to take 18 inches out for a short bed conversion because Ford doesn't offer a standard cab short bed configuration. The end result was a super short 126 wheelbase that was agile on the trail and tore through the desert at high speeds with a long travel suspension on 42s. As you can see, we went a bit opposite this year. We went with a crew cab so we can have more room to haul people and gear around. Now our plan with this is we're going to take a Knapheide service toolbox, load it up with gear, and make it the best capable off-road vehicle we can make it. Now the problem with that, the crew cab Ford Ranger only comes in a short bed, and the Knapheide goes with a long bed extended cab Ranger. So our solution, break out the cutoff wheels and plasma cutters, and we're going to cut. We cut and added 10 inches of the frame you can see right here. So the point of doing this is it gives us more cab room and storage room to be able to haul people and more gear around. As you can see, our engineers have been working pretty hard up front with a mixture of CAD they got from Ford and measurements that they've been taking off the truck. Our plan is to outfit the entire fleet of Ford Rangers at 2018 at SEMA. We've been working pretty close with Fox and Ford to get everything that we need to get for this truck. As you can see, with the current state of the truck and the shop, the team is going full speed with this build. Stay tuned for next week's update to see how the build is coming along. You can check out our social media, our YouTube, our Instagram, and our BDS blog to see any further updates that you want to get known about the SEMA build 2018.